1, 2, 3, go. Hi again, I'm Norah. And I'm Ran. We will make cupcakes. Cupcakes. We will put the cupcake and it in the tray. And we're going to put the butter and the sugar together in the mixer. Great! Now it's time to mix others. Can you look at? The yolks were very heavy. Let's do it for 1 minute. Butter on the cupcake grinder. Right! And now we have cupcakes. Yum, yum, yum. We mixed some ingredients with a electric mixer and then we baked it in the oven.